Welcome to Debbie's Tutorials. Each week, I will be teaching a different subject for you to learn and practice saying. This is the 7th of many tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to put together a short sentence using a subject, the verb to have adjectives and nouns. Let's start.
Let's look at the parts of sentences, the subject followed by a verb and the rest of the sentence. Let's make a sentence. Let's choose a family member. What does each family member have? Let's use numbers.
Let's use colors.
Let's use clothes.
Let's use pets. How do we start a sentence? The person comes first. The person is the subject of the sentence. What does each family member have? This is my family. We have a pet dog. We can add numbers to our sentences. We can add colors to our sentences. I have 3 gray dogs. My sister has 4 green iguanas. We can add clothes. I have a pair of blue overalls. My dad has 2 black hats. Now let's see what each family member has. I have 3 gray dogs. My dad has 2 black hats. My mom has 2 pairs of red shoes. My sister has 4 green iguanas. My brother has 4 yellow and blue t-shirts. My grandma has 5 brown rabbits. My grandpa has 6 blue shirts. My aunt has 1 goldfish. My uncle has 8 green tortoises. My niece has 7 pairs of pink socks. My nephew has 4 pairs of black shorts.
Let's do that again. Repeat after me. A sentence has a subject, a verb, and the rest of the sentence. I have 3 grey dogs. My mum has 2 pairs of red shoes. My dad has 2 black hats. My sister has 4 green iguanas. My brother has 4 yellow and blue t-shirts. My grandma has 5 brown rabbits. My grandpa has 6 blue shirts. My aunt has 1 goldfish. My uncle has 8 green tortoises. My niece has 7 pairs of pink socks. My nephew has 4 pairs of black shorts.
Answer the following questions about you. What do you have? What does your friend have? What does your teacher have? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Practice every day. You know what they say, practice makes perfect. See you in next week's tutorial where we will learn about adjectives. Thank you for joining me.